These are the headlamp surrounds for red. As you can see, somebody's painted them. They were black. We have got a black set. I'm just going to check them for damage. Have they been cut? Why? Why has that one been cut? Strange, isn't it? Can you see it? There, look. That one's full, and that one's been cut. I think what we're going to have to do is put these as spares and get the back set. I'm back in a minute. And we're back here and looking at these. They're in the original colour and they're undamaged. As we can see, a couple of speeders on them, but I think we're going to go with these. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to sand them down and I'm going to primer them. And my grandson John is going to choose which colour they be, whether they're black satin or Rosso red, same as red. I think they will look nice, black same as the grille, the bumpers on a red car. You have to tell me in comments what you think. But yeah, we'll give a bit of a clean down, give a bit of a keying in, and we'll primer them. They do look to be a nice, I think that's they're the inside ones, I'm not sure. They're the tops, yeah they are. That's the passenger side and that's the, but we'll give it a bit of a clean anyway and we'll see. Cleaning with the magic cloth. The magic cloth. This to car restorers is like the magic sponge to footballers. It's all good stuff isn't it? And then there's old market man in County Durham. It's all good stuff, you know, it's all good stuff. Mate of my old man, my old boys. Those lads used to drink together. Yeah. Oh, they got a centre woodyard business going. Went back up in concert. They worked till they were retired and they worked for a job. And his son who I used to knock about with, he only managed to get to 45 and he had a heart attack. So I thought we got something thankful to be here for, haven't we? Look after yourselves, get fit, don't get complacent. Don't get to the point where your health's affected and you can't get back. That is what you don't want to do. Now back in a minute. And here we are. This is the surrounds that have been painted. Unfortunately they're not good. If you notice there's some running there, that's got to be addressed. Scratches there, that wants some very fine paper. So it's just mainly these two. And these, yeah, it's these centres. But we'll get back onto them and sort it out. So we'll see you in a bit. There we are, we've painted these again and we seem to have a little bit of conflict on them. As you can see, they're bubbling up. So what we're going to have to do is try and sand them down. See if we can't get them flat and then try pray them again. Certainly something's upset it. To be honest with you, we could have done without this, but let's see what happens. We do his best, don't we? Yeah. I'll just show you the other one. from the same look. I do believe that at one time somebody had one of them stickers around this, the trim, a stick-on sticker that went round, or just went between the two lights that were fashionable in the 80s. That was basically the sticker tone. Anyway, I shan't bore you with this. What we'll do, we're going to fast motion. We'll fast track it. So, see you in a minute. Here we are. Hopefully this time they're going to be alright, but we'll have to see. We'll get back to them later in another video anyway. Okay then, see you later.